Industry is advancing at an alarming rate, and we need to ensure that our learners are armed with the information that they need to fulfill those roles in the future.
I believe that the companies coming in doing workshops like this is really beneficial to obviously people trying to learn about engineering.
The partnership with LCA and EPLAN will allow us to show our students industry standard schematics, how to read them, how to edit them, how to use them for fault finding, and often it will be the first time they've ever been faced with an industry style document like that.
We're working with colleges and universities to develop the future skill set that is required by industry. So we're looking at how we can help develop the skills of the engineers and ensure that actually it's fit for industry. Rather than just turning out an engineer, we want an engineer who has not only got the concept of how they should design, but actually they understand how the software works and how they can then use that to help all of the companies that they're going to work for in the future.
When the likes of the MD from LCA and EPLAN come in and speak to my learners, it gives them something to strive for, for the future. So employee engagement, industry links are so important for Coleg Cambria.